USD daily chart, you have this trend line tested 3 times and static horizontal resistance level. So as long as price trading of this blue trend line, you can say this pair is bullish. Because if you see same trend line on H4, then you have this possible triple bottom pattern. If neckline breakout, then bottom will confirm. So if you buy before breakout, then you have to use SL below this possible triple bottom. Then next entry, neckline retest after breakout, because here you will be trading daily time frame trend line on H4 time frame. Or if this is triangle chart pattern, then all steps are complete. Wait for downside breakout. When it make new lower low, then you can buy, because in that condition that will be trend line retest of daily chart. If you see GBPUSD daily chart, then you have this trend line tested 3 times. As long as price trading below this trend line, it is bearish. USDCAD daily chart, you have static horizontal support level and price testing 136 level once again. So wait for breakout on retest, you can buy or sell. Because right now dollar is making sideways correction, everyone waiting for first rate cut confirmation. While Fed said only one rate cut in their SEP. So everyone know that is lie. So everyone have no choice but to wait confirmation for first rate cut. Till then it will stay sideways, and when confirmation happen, you can see breakout in all dollar pair. USDCHF daily time frame, you have static horizontal resistance. First it breakout at a support, now retesting again. So you have clear static horizontal support and resistance. You can see a retest of resistance and targeting new lower low. But for buying entry, you have to wait for breakout, then you will buy only on retest at 90 level, because that can be possible head and shoulder chart pattern. But before breakout below 90, you can say this pair is bearish, and first target will be 888 level, then you can target new lower low. But this pair USD CHF, you have clear static horizontal support and resistance level. Bitcoin daily chart, if you see right at this bottom, May FOMC meeting, they talk about QT tapering. Immediately it goes up, because everyone know once QT stop, the next step will be QE. Timing can be unknown, but certainty increase instantly. QT end, get ready for QE. But in this FOMC meeting in June month, they did not say anything about their QT. So they have decreased the QT speed, but QT is still happening. An important thing is, nobody in FOMC meeting asked from Fed why they still doing more QT and no change compared to May FOMC meeting. Still all the news company are not asking FOMC member that they change their QT speed in May FOMC meeting, why no update in June FOMC meeting. So QT QE, that means their balance sheet size, the fundamental reason behind Bitcoin goes up or down. Since more QT is happening, that means balance sheet size will decrease, that's why it is down again. And this 52k area can be big static horizontal support level. Silver daily chart, you can see price is making lower low with lower high. On daily chart, you can say it is making downtrend. So technically it is bearish, and you can also say it flag chart pattern. For more clarity, if you see silver H4 time frame, then first it goes down, falling wedge chart pattern, goes up again, exactly 50% retracement from top to bottom. Now it is down again. So if it goes down more, then 28.5 first static support level, then 27.73, then in the end 26.85. So wait for this support level to break out, then on retest you will sell. But silver is down from $30. So this price area near 28.5 big static support level. For more selling entry, either sell on retest or wait for price going up again near $30, then you can sell. US oil, which directly affect your CPI, constantly going up. You can see this is total U-turn on H4 chart. If you see daily chart, then big static horizontal resistance level. Price again testing 82 level. So if price failed from here, then there is only one support next 74. But this is your sideways range on oil daily time frame, and you have to trade like sideways range. So after 82, next level is 93 and support 74. Dollar index, weekly chart, slowly price going there from lower trend line to upper trend line, almost there, but still it is sideways range inside a triangle chart pattern. So in last video I said dollar index can stay up, price is not clear but timing and direction is clear, and problem is until everyone is happy with their first rate cut, dollar can go down. But when rate cut turn into panic, recession begin, dollar can go up. So that's why this lower trend line is big important support level. And you have all the big news that will directly affect dollar, NFP, Fed speech, FOMC minute PDF, and ISM service PMI. SP 500 H4 time frame, price almost testing upper trend line, big rejection last week, then you can expect retest of lower trend line. So you are already shown 4%, now it's time for NFP, but slowly NFP will go towards 0. The next step, more than 4% you are, and that is sign of recession, and when market panic start, this thing can go down. Now there is viral chart of seasonality or SP 500 which say since 1928 every year SP 500 goes up in first 15 day of July month. Be careful, more we reach toward November election, no reason for central bank and Biden to create economic boom. After first rate cut, there is no reason for economic boom to continue SP 500 to go up. So let's see that viral chart magic works again this year or not, first 15 day of July month. And all the money flow will be directly affected by this week because you have second half of this year, you have third quarter, and you have all the news, ISM, PMI and NFP. And your GDX H4 time frame, 32 area is still big horizontal support level, still price holding that support area. And USD JPY up again 160, all the Asian currency having problem. So don't be shocked something magical happen and dollar become weak this week. So it is not about dollar index, it is about dollar against Japanese yen. Because future I am saying again and again, Fed will cut, BOJ will hike, and interest rate difference between two countries that will change. Pair have to change its direction. And funny thing, they did not mention in their June FOMC meeting about stagflation, zero mention. But now one FOMC member is saying they don't see stagflation or recession. So until we see Fed reaction to recession this year 2024, then next US President reaction to recession in 2025, we cannot decide anything about stagflation. And don't worry, Fed will definitely say something about his strategy before election and after election. But any price above 159 in USD JPY is selling opportunity. So back to dollar index, these two high and low 88 and 114, the recession and stagflation will decide these two levels will break out or not. And maybe this triangle chart pattern will continue more weeks. So watch carefully how price react to this upper trend line this week if dollar becomes strong. If it reverses on economic indicator, if they come in favor of rate cut this week, then you can expect retest of lower trend line. So if you want to understand long term of dollar in second half of this year, third quarter, that's mean November election, first dollar can go down, but when panic begin for recession, it can go up vertical.